So, what's up guys, Faria and welcome to Shades of Tech. Today I got something really special for you guys. We'll bring you the slim fit wall mounting for my new LG 55C7V. In my opinion, this is a really good solution. It's cheap, it has a pretty much simple installation, and it can get your TV as close to the wall as it can get. In the unboxing video I used the metal stand provided by LG in the box. It's really good build quality, really heavy metal and really good design, but I'm more a hang it on the wall kind of guy, so I decided to give a try to the wall mounted TV, and with this method it can get really wallpaper thin. My dream is in my future studio that I'm prepping in the next month is to hang it without any visible cable, with a great and heavy cable management. You will see. Anyway, this cheap method is compatible with any TV that has VESA attachment. So I removed my old television after 7 years of good service, and in this shot you can see the massive difference in size between my 40-inch LED TV and my new 55-inch OLED display. It's really huge. So I used the plate that was already on the wall and I had already installed before. But the process is pretty simple. It has 4 screws that must go on the wall, and you just have to level it and make it perfectly horizontal so that the TV alignment will be perfect. These brackets are pretty much simple. They are made in a really resistant metal because they have to support all the weight of the television, and when you buy it you have to make sure that they support the weight and the size of your television. After that you have just to screw the 2 brackets to the TV in the VESA attachment, and that's it. If I can give you a small advice, I really suggest to cable manage before you hang the TV on the wall, because with this method you can really get about a few inches from the wall, and it will be really difficult to cable manage after that, and you just can insert one end. It's a really tight space, and inserting the cables it can be hard, so keep that in mind. When you hang it on the wall you probably will need some help, because you have to lift the TV up and then slide it down carefully in order to insert the brackets in the metal plate on the wall, but it's not really difficult. As you can see, the LG C7V is pretty thin in the upper part, so the brackets will in some way be visible, but that's not a problem for me because it's really hidden behind the TV and I will never see that. And this is the final result. It's a really thin profile look, and as you can see, with this method you can get an iPhone distance from the wall, so it's really close. It's a really sturdy mechanism, and as I said, the only downside is that it's really difficult to cable manage after you have mounted it on the wall, especially if you have the inputs behind the TV and not on the side. So for my new office I believe that I will get a better version of this that is a little bit more expensive. I also added a 2.1 soundbar because I didn't know what to choose between this one and the Dolby Atmos. I will test it out later on to know which one is better. But for now I am really happy with the result. It's inexpensive and has a wonderful look. It will add to your living room or studio a really professional and neat look. So I'm really happy with that. I don't have any particular brand to advise you. I got this particular TV mounting system a few years ago, maybe 5 years, and they are all the same to me, so I will leave in the description a link to the Amazon page where you can find any brand you want. And if you want to know more about my cable management for this TV setup, please stay tuned because it will be in the next videos. And I really believe that the addition of some LED strips behind with some RGB colors changing really improve all the final results. If you want to see more about these wonderful 4K time lapses, I'll leave you the link in the description, so check them out. I really love the combination of the really slim and thin bezels of this particular TV, and the television I had before had really fat bezels, so it didn't look great, but this one is so good. So that's all for now. If you liked this video, please give a very big like. And if you want to stay tuned for the cable management of my TV setup, please go very iPhone 10 on the subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!